Find out the accounts to be debited and credited against each transaction. Problem. Find out the accounts to be debited and credited in each of the following transactions. 1. Started business with cash 50,000 rupees, furniture 12,000 rupees and machinery 30,000 rupees. 2. Purchased stationery for office use rupees 450. 3. Purchased goods on credit rupees 10,000 from Mr. Jafar. 4. Purchased goods for cash rupees 1,700. 5. The owner purchased a vehicle for business use from his personal funds rupees 30,000. 6. Paid rupees 5,000 to the local cable operator for advertisement. 7. Sold goods on credit rupees 3,000 to Mr. Bilal. 8. Cash sales rupees 1,400. 9. Paid electricity bill rupees 600. 10. Paid rent rupees 12,000. Solution. Serial number, transaction, journal entry, debit account, credit account. 1. Started business with cash 50,000 rupees. Debit cash, credit capital account. Started business with furniture rupees 12,000. Furniture debit, capital account credit. Started business with machinery rupees 30,000. Machinery debit, capital account credit. 2. Purchased stationery for office use rupees 450. Office stationery debit, cash credit. 3. Purchased goods on credit rupees 10,000 from Mr. Jafar. Purchases debit, accounts payable credit. 4. Purchased goods for cash 1,700. Purchases debit, cash credit. 5. The owner purchased a vehicle for business use from his personal funds rupees 30,000. Vehicle debit, capital account credit. 6. Paid 5,000 to the local cable operator for advertisement. Advertisements debit, cash credit. 7. Sold goods on credit rupees 3,000 to Mr. Bilal. Accounts receivable debit, sales credit. 8. Cash sales rupees 1,400. Cash debit, sales credit. 9. Paid electricity bill rupees 600. Electricity debit, cash credit. 10. Paid rent rupees 12,000. Rent debit, cash credit. Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.